SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, myself Vinita Natyal here again with you. And students, today we are going to start our chapter number 3rd. And in this chapter we will start learning about the parts of the computer. Students, as you people have so many parts of your body, in the same way computer also has so many parts with it. So today we are going to learn the same only. So get ready, open your book and start reading with me. First, parts of computer, chapter number 3rd. In this chapter, we will learn, recognize and identify the main parts of a computer. Describe the functions of the main parts of a computer. List additional devices of the computer. Illustrate the interconnectivity of different parts of a computer. Okay, so these are the topics that we are going to learn today. First of all, we have to do the given warm-up question. Can you name some parts of your body? Yup, everyone knows about the parts of the body. Okay, so you will write here yes. Can you name some parts of a computer? If you know, then you can write here yes. If you don't know, then you can write here no. Does a computer too have different body parts? Yes. This is the topic, parts of a computer. Okay. As I told you students, like human beings, a computer also have many parts. I told you in the beginning of the chapter. A computer has four main parts. Okay. These are monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. 4 main part in the sense, students, as we are just purchasing computer from the market, at least these 4 part must be there with the computer. Okay, these are the basic part which is necessary to start the work on a computer. Okay, beside that one we have other parts also, but first we will read about them. Okay, let us know about the main part of the computer. The main part of the computer is CPU, keyboard, and here we have monitor, mouse. Monitor means this one, CPU means this one, keyboard means this one, and here it is mouse means this is the mouse. Okay, so these are the 4 main parts of the computer. Okay students, now we are going to learn in brief about these 4 parts. Monitor. This is a monitor, look like a television. Student, this is the monitor. Okay, and it's absolutely looks like a television, right? It displays everything that we do on the computer. Whatever the command we are giving, whatever the instructions we are giving to the computer, that results will show on the monitor. Okay, we can watch movie, play games and read text on the monitor. We can do these activities on the monitor, right? And next one we have the CPU. Student, CPU box means Central Processing Unit. Means CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay? Keep this full form in your mind because it will help you out later on. Okay? So students, as you can see, this is the picture of your CPU. Okay, and if I will tell you CPU is this is the CPU box and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of the computer. Why? Let's come to know. It has on and off button, also called power button. इसमें 2 buttons होते हैं जिन्हें हम power button कहते हैं. ठीक है. All the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU. ठीक है. Now students, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था that CPU is the most important part of the computer, and I told you that I'll tell you why. So, as we know that CPU is the very important part of the computer because it is the brain of the computer, right? Now think about ourselves. If we don't have brain, can we do any activity or any work properly? No, we can't do. In the same way, if computer does not have the CPU, so it cannot perform any task. Yes. So that's why it is the most important part of the computer. Clear hai? Next is your keyboard. Student, this is the picture of your keyboard. As you can see here, so many buttons are here. Okay, what do we call these buttons? Keys. What do we call these buttons? Keys. Okay, this is the keyboard. It has several small buttons called keys, right? I already told. Each key has number, letter or word written on it. It is used to type in numbers and letters to the computer. ठीक है, इनमें नंबर्स होते हैं, अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं, कुछ स्पेशल साइंस होते हैं जिनकी हेल्प से हम लोग कंप्यूटर में वर्क करते हैं. ओके, एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू द बटन, these are the button but we used to call them keys, right? So these are the keys and this is the keyboard. Next one we have the mouse. Student, as you can see here, this is the mouse. Not actually, but seems like that. Okay, so as you can see, one wire is also going on from here. This is a computer mouse. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Computer mouse कहेंगे. It looks like a real mouse. Okay, दिखता ये real mouse जैसा ही है, but it points to object on the monitor and is always kept at the right side of the computer. ये जो mouse जो है वो कंप्यूटर में यूज होता है पॉइंट करने के लिए, सिलेक्शंस करने के लिए, and drawing, and so many works are also there. Okay, as you will work on the computer, you will comes to know. So the thing is this, that इसको हम रखते कहाँ हैं? हमेशा मॉनिटर के राइट साइड पे रखते हैं. ठीक है, because we used to work with our right hand only. That's why the mouse usually has 2 or 3 buttons and a small wheel between the buttons. माउस पे देखिए यूजुअली 2 बटन्स होते हैं, दिस वन एंड दिस वन, एंड मिड में होता है एक स्क्रॉल बटन. क्लियर है? सो दिस इज द माउस. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर सिलेक्टिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट, ड्रॉइंग द पिक्चर्स, प्लेइंग द गेम एंड सो मेनी मोर टास्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज स्टैंडर्ड कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. All the parts that we have learned about make up the standard computer system. They are all connected with wires. ये सारे किसके थ्रू कनेक्टेड होते हैं? वायर्स के थ्रू. और जो मेन पार्ट है CPU, जो मैंने आपको बताया था, सारे वायर्स उसमें प्लग इन होते हैं. ओके, द कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ इवन वन पार्ट. अब माउस अगर आपका खराब हो गया है तो आप माउस के जितने भी वर्क है वो कंप्यूटर पे नहीं कर पाएंगे. कीबोर्ड खराब हो गया है तो कीबोर्ड से रिलेटेड वर्क नहीं कर पाएंगे. मॉनिटर ही खराब हो गया है तो क्या कर रहे हैं? यू कांट सी देयर. सो द थिंग इज दिस, टू वर्क ऑन द कंप्यूटर all these 4 parts are necessary. Okay, if one of them will not work, you cannot work on the computer, right? So take care of your computer these such parts. Next is the mouse is always kept on a soft pad. This pad is called mouse pad. माउस को हमेशा हम एक सॉफ्ट सरफेस पैड पे रखते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? माउस पैड. ओके, जैसे आपके घर में कारपेट होते हैं सॉफ्ट, आप उस पे अपने शूज या मतलब फीट ड्रैग करते हैं. ठीक है, उसी तरह से माउस के लिए भी माउस की एक सीट होती है माउस को रखने के लिए, उसको हम माउस पैड कहते हैं. ओके, इट शुड बी द सॉफ्ट वन. नेक्स्ट, एडिशनल पार्ट. नाउ दीज आर द एडिशनल पार्ट ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर. इफ you will just purchase them, so they will give you the most efficient work. Next, printer. A printer is used to take a printout on a paper. Printout on a paper is called hard copy. Students, whatever the work you used to do on the computer, like you are drawing a picture and you want to show the results, but if you want to show the results to your फैमिली मेंबर, यू कैन जस्ट कॉल देम अप एंड यू कैन जस्ट शो, देखिए मैंने क्या किया, मॉनिटर पे खोल के दिखा सकते हैं. बट द सेम वर्क इफ यू वांट्स टू शो टू योर टीचर, So you cannot call your teacher at home, right? So what you people will do, you can just take the printout on a paper and you will just show the task, isn't it? So the result that you are taking in printing manner on a paper, that will call the hard copy. Okay? And whatever the work you are showing on the monitor, it will call the soft copy. Okay? So next we have speaker. Students, by the name only we comes to know that what is the work of the speaker. Speaker is used for listening the song, videos, voice, music, movies, etc. Any kind of voice, any kind of sound you want to listen from computer side, for that you need the speaker. Okay? Speakers are used to hear the song on computer. They come in pairs. ये दोनों pairs में आते हैं. ठीक है? दो speaker आएंगे आपके साथ pair में. They are connected to the CPU through a cable. ये एक केबल के थ्रू CPU में कनेक्ट होते हैं. ठीक है? Next one we have scanner. Students, in earlier days we used this device to scan any paper to put that paper in the computer. हमें किसी भी पेपर को जब कंप्यूटर के अंदर डालना होता था तो हम उसके लिए पहले क्या करते थे, स्कैनर्स का यूज करते थे. ठीक है? और अब तो हमारे पास में हमारे फोन्स में भी स्कैनर ऐप यूज हो सकता है. ठीक है? उसके थ्रू हम स्कैन करते हैं और सिस्टम में डाल देते हैं. लेकिन पहले ऐसा नहीं था, हमारे पास एंड्रॉयड फोन्स नहीं थे या इतनी फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी हमारे फोन्स में, तो हम लोग स्कैनर यूज करते थे जिस पे आप अपनी पिक्चर रखेंगे, वो आपकी पिक्चर को स्कैन करेंगे और सिस्टम में डाल देंगे. ओके, सो दैट वाज द वर्क ऑफ दिस डिवाइस. A scanner is a machine that can read text or picture printed on a paper and store them into a computer. ठीक है? इस पे हम प्रिंट करके पेपर पे और कंप्यूटर में स्टोर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So this is the activity that you have to do. The key points. There are four main parts of a computer: monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. A monitor displays everything that we do on the computer. The mouse points to specific things on the monitor. A keyboard is used to type on the monitor. CPU is the brain of the computer. Please give me a second. Yes, CPU is the brain of the computer. I am underlining this line for you people because you have to keep this statement in the mind that CPU is the most important part of the computer. Why? Because it is the brain of the computer. If brain is not correct, so we can't work on the computer properly, right? Printer, speaker and scanner are the other additional parts of the computer. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned two types of parts. One is the main four parts and other one are additional parts. Okay, so what you people have to do? You have to just go through with the video again, and after that you have to complete the given exercise, right? It is very easy and interesting exercise for you people. By this you will do the practice. Okay, so that's it for today. Keep on learning. Bye bye.